Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check where your Gmail is logged in on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to check that your Google account is logged in anywhere, so let's see how can you check all the devices logged in on your Google account. You just have to simply open your browser. So I'm going to open my Chrome and here just select that Google account which you want to check. So let's say I'm going to select this one here. And here, just tap on this profile option over here and then select manage your Google account. Just select this. Now on this screen, you must see the option of devices. Just click on devices. You can directly click on devices from here, or you can also go to security and sign in and just scroll down and you must see the devices option here, your devices or where you are signed in. So you must see all the devices over here. Or you can also click on devices from this option and you'll see all the devices where your Google account is logged in. So in my case, my account is logged in into two devices. So I'm gonna log in from this account. This is my current session or my current device from where I'm using my Google account. So I'm gonna log out from this device. Just click on it and just wait for next interface. Here you might have to enter your Google account password. So once I've entered your account password, just click on next here and just wait for some loading, and here you must see some different options. So you can locate your device if your device location is enabled. So you can try to select this option to locate your device. You might also get some information about here, so where your account is being used on your device. So in my Android phone, my account is using only on Android device, so there's no any option like Chrome or any other services where my account is logged in. So if you want to sign out or log out, you just have to click on the sign out button and then select sign out. So once you have signed out, your device will be completely signed out. So after signing out, you can try to change your account password to secure your account. So in this way, you can easily check your all sign-in devices on your Google account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.